first time here, my name's Vickie. Welcome to my home. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you I've not shared before that I can remember on my channel. It is for a corn casserole. Now, there's so many different recipes that you can do with this, but this one is just a dump and bake. You literally put everything in a bowl and bake it. It's going to be so easy. So let me show you what we're going to use. Also, the recipe will be linked down below in my description box. So, let's get started. First thing I want to do is spray my pan, and I like to buy these disposable pans for the holidays. I know it don't look great, but it's convenient. You don't have to worry about keeping up with your dishes, and it just makes it easy. Now, the first thing we're going to mix up is our wet ingredients. I've got 2 sticks of butter melted. I am doubling mine, but I will link the recipe for the regular recipe down in the description box. Okay, we've got our 2 sticks of butter melted. Like I said, I am doubling mine. I'm going to add 4 eggs. We are going to bake this on, I've got an eggshell in there, 350 degrees, by the way, for 45 minutes. You also use a cup of sour cream, but since I'm doubling mine, I want to use 2 cups. Go ahead and mix this up. Just going to mix it up the best we can. Okay, then we're going to take our 2, well, let's see, let me do my corn first. I'm using 2 cans of kernel and 2 cans of cream style. We're going to drain our kernel corn and just pour our cream style in there like regular. We're not going to drain it, basically. Okay, there's 1 can of kernel. Then 1 can of cream style corn. I think there's going to be about, let me see, how many are we eating today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18. 18 of us are eating together at my dad's. 2nd can of kernel corn. And then at my mother-in-law's, there's going to be, let's see how many there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 20 at my mother-in-law. So about the same. I need to drain this one. Right in there. Let's get this mix. You know what? This looks like I could just about make 2 of these. I may have made a mistake doubling it. We'll see. And then I'm going to use this Jiffy muffin mix. I'm going to use 2 pans of it instead of one. And two. Probably shouldn't have doubled it, but it'll be okay. I think I'll make two of them. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat this oven. And grease another pan. So, unless you want to make a lot, put them in two pans if you want to double it, because I think it'll have a hard time getting done if you don't. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty. So we're going to put them in the oven for 45 minutes. And I'll just take a picture and show you what they look like. I know they're delicious because I've eaten them before. But that's how we make our corn casserole. What's your favorite casserole? Mine is probably broccoli casserole. And, well, broccoli casserole I'd say is my favorite. This corn casserole was absolutely delicious. Everyone loved it. I really enjoyed hanging out with you today and spending time with you in my kitchen. I thank you for watching. Please, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out when you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that as well. I thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.